Welcome back to another video. You know I always like a good deal in the market, and SmileDirectClub is down 24% today after they missed expectations on their earnings. We're going to look at those earnings. We're going to see if this is a bargain, and I'm thinking that this might be my next speculative easy 2x play in the market, SmileDirectClub stock. Welcome back to another video. My name's Adam. We're doing this here in the dark today. I haven't been able to record a couple of videos that I wanted to in a while, just because I've been getting hammered by work and my master's degree. So here we are being mysterious in the dark. So SmileDirectClub just over $5 US, and I mean, since it IPO'd, came onto the market, I believe it IPO'd at $18. It's down by 72% just since the start of 2019. There in September of 2019, started at 18, and now it's down to just over $5. Market cap just about $2 billion. So let's take a look at what happened here. So basically, Wales CEO David Katzman and their team had forecast 195 to 200 million in Q2 revenue, but ended up pulling in just 174. So it's not like this is like an absolute ridiculous like low number, but still they did miss on revenue expectations. They now expect the SmileDirect to have full year revenues in the range of 750 to 800 million. I mean, this is just over a 2 price to sales ratio for a company like SmileDirectClub. So now I'm automatically thinking this could be a potential acquisition target for a larger company, or even potentially just holding the stock and that would drive the stock price up huge in the short term if it was being acquired by something like, I don't know, Johnson & Johnson, just under a 2 billion market cap. Because right now it has a pretty attractive valuation for a price of sales just over 2. I don't know. I'm liking their numbers. And if you're looking at their growth, it's pretty impressive. So even if they had full year revenues of 800 million, like that's pretty good for a company valued at $2 billion. And I mean, if you invested in the double digits, I feel really bad for you. You're probably not going to see that money in some time unless they talk about an acquisition target. But I believe it could end up being $10 in a couple months. And I mean, I'd like to 2x my money in the span of a couple months. So, just throw some cash at it and see what happens. But again, don't listen to me. I'm just some dude on the internet. Please do your own due diligence. And you might want to wait a couple days so you don't catch a falling knife. I mean, over the past 5 days, it's down 25%. This up after hours of 3% might be deceiving, and it might just continue to fall a bit. So I'll probably wait till the end of the week before deciding to invest any funds in here. So let's just go over their financial highlights. So again, we knew revenue is 174 million, still increase of 62% over the prior year period. Net loss of 55 million, an improvement of 41.6%. Adjusted EBITDA was actually a decrease of 2 million, so that's not good. But I mean, there's one bad line out of these 4 here. Excuse me. And diluted earnings per share so they lost 14 cents, which was a 44% improvement over the prior year period. Unique aligner shipments of 90,006. So if you don't know, this company basically makes things for teeth and make them look better. Basically, that's the way I can put it right here. And this is a really good business model. Their product is basically vertically integrated, so the consumer knows exactly what they're getting and how they're getting it, etc. They control all the lines of production, the means of production of their product, which is what I like to see. And if you look down at their growth, I mean, from 2017 to 145 million in revenue. So of course they got hit by the Roni. And their revenue was down from year over year. And I mean, when you think about it, I mean, no one wants to go to the dentist. There's just something about going to the dentist during the Roni that, I don't know, is a bit off-putting. So they missed out on an opportunity in 2019. But as long as they can stay afloat, I'd say, 2021 2022 should be a pretty good year here. Let's look at quarterly right here. So yeah, I mean 2021 is already looking better than 2020, but yeah, Q2 of 2022 was not the nicest for SmileDirectClub here, and they just got a list of downgrades. So all these happened today, and they just downgraded from buy to hold, from overweight to equal weight, from outperform to market perform, to underweight to underperform. Oh my goodness. So yeah, not many analysts like this stock, which makes me all the more interested in the stock. And its analyst price target average is actually $10.95, which that's basically a 2x right there. So I mean, whew, you know, could be a pretty good opportunity. So I don't know if there's a lot of interest right now. There might have been now, but only 7 people are viewing about this stock. It's just interesting to read Yahoo Finance comments and see where people heads are at. But a lot of people are losing a lot of money, but still have a lot of faith in the stock. So it looks like the current year is actually average estimate is 800 million, not 833 million, which represents growth of, I believe, just at around 20%. And next year they're expected to do 1 billion in revenue. So could be, again, like I said, just like a pretty good short-term, quick 20, 30, 40, 50%, 100% return on your money right there, right? So again, just know that this is decently speculative. It's a company that's still losing money, but it's showing that it's able to grow despite the Rona, right? And so can you imagine when actually people start going back to the dentist, they start being referred to these products, I think it's only a matter of time before they either get bought out or before the price starts to crawl upwards, right? If we want to take a look at the chart, just look at that candle, totally below the lower Bollinger Band. Oh, like that definitely hurts. So I mean, I actually might take back what I said. I might consider buying this stock, a little bit of the stock tomorrow, right? And I mean, it's just been going like downhill for quite some time. So again, when there's blood on the streets, that's when I want to buy, and that's just the outlook I have on many stocks. It actually reached, looks like it reached just under $4 in, when was this? In 2020. So basically at the height of the pandemic, and then it went up to $13. So I mean, you would have 3-4x your money if you bought it there. But let's just do max chart right here. Yeah, wow. So I mean, if it goes to those prices, it's a pretty good opportunity to make some cash. Anyways, let me know what you think about this video. Please join the Discord community that is growing. We have close to 100 members, and we're going to do live chats. I want to do it either every Saturday or Sunday, or bi-weekly. So every 2 weeks, I want to start doing live chats there. The first one is coming up this week on Sunday, so be sure to join me and some cool content creators, as well as some very intelligent folks down below in the Discord community, and it's totally free to join. And as well, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see you guys, and have a fantastic night.